so pretty.
Right, we're gonna do this challenge. Come here, sit. I'm gonna put this down and you're not gonna touch it, are you? You're going to leave it. Yes. You're gonna leave it. You're gonna sit here. Right, sit. Yes. Go back just a little. Yes. Right, leave it. You're gonna leave it. You wait. Wait until we're back. We're back in 1 minute. You wait. Good girl. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you eating a burger? What are you doing? The more I ask you, the quicker you're eating. What are you doing? You failed. You failed the challenge, so no more burger, no! No more burger for you. Don't look proud of yourself. Don't look proud. Why are you happy? Why are you looking happy like you've earned this? Can we let you eat it now for real? Right, wait. You have to eat all of it. That's just bread. This bit's got the burger. You're very hands-on with your burger. Very hands-on. You love it. Is that nice? Oh yes. She does not like it on the plate, do you? Look at this messy floor. She knows it's boring. There's no meat or cheese on it. Mmm. Is that nice? Rosie, was that nice? Yeah? Was that yummy? Look at that waggly tail. Well, your first ever burger! Yeah! That brings a whole new meaning to burger for you, doesn't it? Seeing as she's got her favourite toy, her burger toy. You just ate one of these! Your first ever! That was your first ever burger! If I put that on a plate, would you think it's like a real burger? Well, you failed the challenge, but you still got the prize, so it's a win-win for you, eh? Monsieur, would you care for a burger?
Yeah, sure, no worries.
Ah, my god, my eyeballs! Oh, mother. She gets so excited every time. Oh, yep, that was probably the first time I've ever been witnessed vlogging in public. That's a bit awkward. Rosie? What are you doing? You're just pacing now, aren't you? Just pacing across the back seats. Rosie Bosie. No!
Are we gonna go back just for the fucking roundabout? Still.
No, we're going back for the rainbow!
So dumb. Such a waste of time.
There it is, it's over there! We're not even going left. Yay! Got the rainbow on camera! Oh my god, it's so pretty! Yay! Will we still be able to see it? There it is. Oh, and it's gone. I don't think we'll be able to see it. Oh, there it is at the back seat. Oh, you can see it. Rosie, oh my god, the windows and the back seats of the rainbows. She's gonna have her first ever burger. We're at McDonald's. So dark in the car.
This is the first McDonald's during lockdown.
Rosie. Rosie's first ever burger. It's a cheeseburger for Rosie Bosie. It's so cute. It's even got like a face on it, like beep beep. First ever cheeseburger. I'm hoping. Yeah, it literally just looks like a plain cheeseburger. It's not got any sauces on it.